Okay, welcome to another exciting video. Today we are looking at the speed time graph. Okay, so this is 2023 science paper 1. Let's get into the paper. Okay, so as you can see, there's a graph here. They're saying the figure shows the speed time graph of an athlete in a training session. So this side, on the vertical side, you have speed, on the horizontal of time. Let's go to A. What was the initial speed of the athlete? When we talk about the initial, we're talking about where the athlete started his journey on or from. So the initial was this side. So this was how much? 3 meters per second. They're saying the initial speed. The units of speed are meters per second. Let's move on to B. What was the maximum speed of the athlete? So, where he started from and where did he end? What was the final speed, in other words? So, the final speed in this case was this. So, he started from here, moved up to 5. So, we can say 5 meters per second. Isn't it? Very simple. Okay. Let's go to another question. Calculate the uniform acceleration of the athlete. So we're going to write down some few data. Okay. So what was the initial speed? The initial speed is U is equal to 3 meters per second. What was the final or the maximum? This was 5 meters per second. So we are building up. After that, they are asking you to calculate for acceleration. So I'm going to say acceleration, put a question mark. What do we know about acceleration? We know that acceleration is equal to change of velocity over time. So what is the change of velocity? Final or maximum speed minus initial speed. So the maximum, we're going to give it v, and then the initial is going to give it u over time. We are building up. Let's move down. So now acceleration is equals to, what was v from the data? V is this, which is 5. So I'm going to say 5 minus, what was u? U is this. So I'm going to say 3 over time. Did you write time on the data? Not really. So we also needed to indicate time there. How much was time? Everything was happening in what time? So the time is here. Okay. This was, no. So everything was happening in here. This was the time. Okay, so we go back and say time was 5. Okay, when you subtract, you're going to have 2 over 5. 2 over 5 is going to give us, let me use my calculator, 0.4. 0.4 meters per second squared. So this was the uniform acceleration. Okay, so if you have any question, please drop it down. Okay, drop it down and we are going to respond. Thank you very much for watching.